How do you say 3 years in Chi? Mfie miensa. Mfie miensa. So we have afe, which is a year, a single year. So if you are talking about just 1 year, you use afe. And you don't even need to add back to that. You can, but it's not necessary because afe in itself is 1 year. But from 2 years going, you use mfie, which is years, the plural of afe. So you add the number to mfie and you have, this number of years. So if it's 2 years, you have mfie mienu. 3 years, you have mfie miensa. 4 years, you have mfie 9. 5 years, you have mfie num. 6 years, you have mfie nsia. 7 years, you have mfie nson. 8 years, you have mfie nwɔtwe. 9 years, you have mfie nkron. And then 10 years, you have mfie du.